Okay, so very good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you all? Okay, so my name is Tushar. So today is a special day. It is a Teachers' Day. So happy Teachers' Day to all. And just I would like to share about the Teachers' Day. What is Teachers' Day and why we celebrate Teacher Day? So every year we celebrate the Teacher Day on the 5th September every year. So the tribute is goes to the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, because he was a teacher and he was the vice president of our India, he was the president of our India, and he was the Bharat Ratna awardee. So now we will discuss about the Teachers Day and who is teacher. So teacher means like the way you living the life, it denotes to the teacher, because teacher shapes your future, teacher shapes you, teacher shapes your discipline, teacher shapes your as well as your etiquettes. So why we need teacher? Because one of the best thing in the teacher, who always gives you the suggestion, who always gives you the things, who always gives the advice. Just I would like to share about my teachers. My teacher is very brilliant and they are very generous, because they always teaches me. Apart from it, they always share their all the experience about the teaching lineup. They always share about the student life, because every teacher one day he was a teacher, then he become the teacher. So we are student right now, and anyone can become a teacher. It doesn't matter you have a degree or not, it doesn't matter you have a degree on that basis of the teaching lineup. You can become the teacher at your home, you can become the teacher at your place, you can become the teacher at your circumstances, in your friend circle. So this is the teacher. Okay.
So very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good, are you?
I'm also good. We know what is the day today, and today we know about the Teachers Day, and we remember our since 1962. Since today we celebrate the Teachers Day, but that day is today. We just appreciate our teacher, how they doing a lot of hard working. That's why we are able to stand here. And apart from it, in our life we know what is the role of teacher. Teacher is just like a promote a god, and apart from it, we all know that how a teacher always doing hard work and the dedication and the all things in the teacher. We know the patience, it's like a tolerating kind of the everything the teacher has. And apart from it, we should appreciate our teacher, because teachers give just like a taking nothing, but the giving a lot of things, manner, discipline, and the contributions and the dedications, manner, the all kind of things the teacher has. And apart from it, in our life, teacher play everything kind of roles, because without a teacher.
So good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good.
I am also good. So as you all know that today we are celebrating a Teachers Day, in which I want to say something about the teachers. We all have a different kind of teachers in our life, but we always think that how teacher play a very well role in our life. And I want to say one thing, that we all have education, but we can say that education is nothing if we don't have the teachers. Like education is a body and the teacher is a soul of body. So we can say that it is a very good and a very essential part of our life. And books never teach us everything without teachers, because teacher teaches everything by the help of books. So we can say that teachers makes our life very we have an inspiration, which we can call it teachers. And we have one kind of we all have a teachers, and I also have a very great teachers in this institute also.
So good morning to all.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
So this side Kirish, I want to speak about on Teachers Day, because I have a lots of memories about the teachers. In my schools I have lots of teachers regarding to my studies, so that's why I want to tell something about my memories. So teachers is a very important thing in our life, and apart from this, our parents is also one kind of teacher, because when we take a born in our life, so on that time our first teachers is our parents, who teaches all of the things about the bathing, eating, taking, drinking, about the anything. He and she, they are teaching each and everything in our life. And teacher is very important in our student life, because when we want to get any kind of knowledge, any kind of skills, any kind of power, so on that time teacher plays a very important role in every student's life. By the help of books we can't teach, but with the help of teacher we can take so many knowledges.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you all, guys? I am fine. My name is Rajiv, and today's Teachers' Day. We all know, and I am very, very happy to, say something for the teachers also. I want to say teachers, one of the persons, one of the God for the students, God for the people also who believe to the teacher, because teachers, one of the persons who live in planet, who did lots of who do lots of work for the students also, who do lots of work for the people also, because teachers not mean teachers who teach us. Teachers means types of parents, types of time, types of natures, types of life also, who teach us everything, how we do life, how we survive life, how we manage our time, how we do everything, whatever, how we achieve our dream, how we do hard working, everything, each and everything we can very easily understand by the teacher, because by the teacher we can properly do hard work. We have a mind, we have a body, we have a lots of things, but how can we using, that's where we learn from the teachers.
Hello everyone. Hello. How are you? Good, and you? I am also good, and today we talk about the Teachers' Day, and today is the Teacher Day. So firstly I just talk about the Teacher Day. So teachers the vital role in our life. Like if talk about the teacher, so teacher is the main role in our life, because without teacher we can't learn anything like the etiquettes, manners, and we can't learn anything, because teacher teach us so many things about the manners, about the etiquettes, how to talk with another persons, how to give the respect to elders, how to talk with our child. So teacher teach us so many things, so that's why we just give the respect to teachers, because so many students they give the respects, and today is the Teachers' Day. So just be call to the teachers and give the respect to the teachers. So without any kind of the if you doing any kind of the mistake, so just say sorry to teachers. And we all know our first teacher is our parents, so just give the respect to our parents also, because
So good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I am good. My name is Samir. So today, as we know that today is Teachers' Day, so I want to say some line on Teacher Day. As we know that why we celebrate the Teacher Day, because of the on that day our previous vice president that he took birth on that, that's why we are celebrating Dr. Ramanand, and on if I'm telling that how can we celebrate the Teacher Day, as we know that in the school there are so many senior students who take who become the teacher on that day, and they just experiencing the teachers life on that day. And on that day we can say that there are so many teachers who see the students who are becoming the teacher, and on that day we learn while becoming a teacher on that day we learn lots of the things on that day. And if I'm telling about the teacher, teacher is most precious thing in our life, because they teach lots of the things to us on that time, they teach lots of the things to us, and on that day we learn about the teacher's life. And teachers,
a very refreshing good morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you? Good. I'm also good. I would like to speak about the teacher. Firstly, sir also give my chance to show our speak about the teachers, and let's start. Teacher are those person to show our the skills, etiquettes, and also manners. And when you visit a first time in a school, so teacher also help to how to speak, how to knowledge for gathering for sources. And about the teachers are vital roles in our life, because when we you fault, that time your teacher will also help to recover and improve yourself. And about the teacher, everywhere our teachers are available regarding to who person you teach you, not a particular school teacher. About the father, mothers, and also any kind of animals, you're one kind of teacher, because when you catch gathering knowledge, so definitely teacher everywhere. And about the teachers and those persons to help to our make your career and build our the career is a very important role.
Hello everyone, how are you? So this side Jen, and I'm talking about the Teachers' Day. Yeah, every year we celebrate a Teachers' Day, because that day is very important for every student, every teachers. In this day we celebrate the day in our schools, in our institutes, in tuitions. And my teachers, so my teacher has good persons in my life, because they always gives me a good learner every time. And I connect with each other in after the school. And my Jitu sir, so Jitu sir is a one man army in this institute, because he like control the institute, and he is a one man in this institute. And that like a teacher's day, in this day we celebrate with our teacher, like we give the like a chocolates and many things. So that day is a very important, and this is like teacher is a very vital role in our like a personal life. And teacher every time like gives a good like a learner good things, and that day is a very important. And every year like this day like 5th of September we celebrate that day, and that day is like a very amazing for me, for like every students, and we are celebrate.
My name is Vipin. I am talk about the teacher day. Teacher day is very important. We know that we do celebrate on 5 September. So we know teacher is very important in our life. We know that we don't know about the like how I can survive, how you will live in environment. So that's what teacher is teach us that how you will do work, and how you will you do work any kind of. So that's why, and we know that I don't have other subjects, but teachers taught which kind of you want to do like a good speaker, like a good man. So that's why, and you know that I don't have in my life is not a good teacher, but this my life is I have a good Jitu sir is good teacher. So he sir is supporting me that how you will change my life, how I can change my life, how I can do in my life. So that's why this is